TCP-485 Wi-Fi Log tutorial step-by-step video. Follow this tutorial when you are finished with your full gauge controller's installation, addressing configuration on each controller and cables A and B connected. Step 1. Power up your TCP-485 Wi-Fi Log. Step 2. Observe the power LED solid lilac and the status LED flashing yellow. If not, reset your TCP and locate the pinhole next to the mini USB power input. Step 3. Download the app TCP-485 config on your cell phone for iOS or Android. Inside the app, select Connect to a TCP-485. Step 5. You'll be asked to select the TCP-485 Wi-Fi Log network within the list of Wi-Fi networks available on your cell phone. Notice once you've selected correctly, the LED status light will turn into solid yellow. Return to the TCP-485 config app and select the TCP-485 Wi-Fi Log converter and hit Continue. Step 7. To a standard connection, leave all default port configuration, hitting Next. On the next screen, you'll see the data logger addresses corresponding to each controller. Scroll up to see more addresses. Check all addresses according to each controller. If you haven't configured the address on the controllers, do it now before going any further. Once done, hit Continue. Step 9. Select Connect in a network, then hit Continue. Step 10. Type on the next screen the Wi-Fi network and password, then Continue. Step 11. Once you see next the information submission confirmation screen, choose Finalize and the cell phone procedure part is done. Step 12. Observe now the LED lights changing colors, where the power LED becomes solid blue and status LED will flash green, waiting for Sitrad Pro to find all pieces. Step 13. Go to your computer where Sitrad Pro is installed, connect the same Wi-Fi network of your router, then open Sitrad Pro software. Step 14. In Sitrad Pro, connect to your local server, entering username and password. Step 15. Choose the button option Add Converter, then choose Search Automatically. At this point, you'll be able to see the found TCP-485 Wi-Fi log. Hit the Add button on the right, then Save. Step 16. Notice once the converter is connected, status LED will become solid green. Step 17. On your Sitrad Pro software, choose button Search for instruments. You can choose by individual search or by range. I'll do my search from 1 to 20, so it locates all of my controllers. You should now be able to see all instruments on your screen.